Have you ever pondered how the teachings from biblical narratives could mold your business success? Welcome to Faithful Futures, the dynamic space where we connect the past and the present, intertwining enduring biblical wisdom with contemporary entrepreneurship. In this space, we equip our younger generation with the timeless principles hidden within biblical stories, principles that form the foundation for success in life and business. So, are you prepared to delve deeper? Let's immerse ourselves in the pages of the Bible, where each story conveys valuable insights for contemporary entrepreneurship. From the resilience of Joseph in Egypt to the courage of David facing Goliath, biblical narratives are teeming with wisdom. Picture Joseph persisting through adversity and emerging as a leader, or David standing tall against a giant, armed only with faith and a sling. Their stories teach us about determination, courage, and the power of belief. Fast forward to today, these timeless lessons translate seamlessly into the world of entrepreneurship. These principles serve as guiding lights for young entrepreneurs, empowering them to navigate the business world with integrity. How does biblical wisdom apply to real-world business scenarios? You might wonder. Here at Faithful Futures, we bridge this gap by providing practical tips and strategies. We show how biblical principles can be applied to entrepreneurial endeavors. Through engaging activities and insightful case studies, we demonstrate how honesty, integrity, and perseverance can shape business decisions. By equipping young entrepreneurs with these skills, they can thrive in the business landscape while staying true to their values. Let's make business not just about profit, but about making a positive difference. Our ultimate goal is to inspire and empower the next generation of leaders. We believe in nurturing a generation of entrepreneurs who not only strive for success, but also prioritize compassion, integrity, and innovation in their endeavors. By instilling these values, we are confident that our young viewers will become catalysts for positive change, shaping the future of business with biblical wisdom at its core. Join us in building a future where biblical wisdom shapes the landscape of business and young entrepreneurs make a lasting impact in the world. Remember, this journey towards a purpose-driven entrepreneurship is not a solo mission. We're in this together. So if you're inspired by our vision, subscribe to our channel, leave a comment, and hit that like button. Share our content with your friends and fellow aspiring entrepreneurs. Together, we can shape the future of business with the timeless wisdom of the Bible. Let's create a legacy of impactful entrepreneurship, one video at a time.